Well, anyway, my love, eto na po ang oras kung saan babasahin natin ang ating sulat mula sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Sa lahat nga po ng mga fur parents out there, sa mga mahal na mahalang bantay nila, itinuturing ang kanilang mga alaga bilang kanilang mga anak. Nako, this story can capture your hearts tonight. So, basahin na natin, wag na nating patagalin pa. Tawagin na lang natin ang ating letter sender na Daphne. Ayan, itago natin siya sa pangalang Daphne. Ito po ang biyahe ni Daphne. Hello po, DJ Lala. How are you? Please hide my real name. DJ Lala, I am in pain. I just lost my first fur baby this morning because of distemper. And yung partner niya ay currently fighting for her life dahil din sa distemper. So sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang distemper po ay parang disease or virus sa ating mga alagang hayop, especially to our dogs. It's a virus that can be fatal. Nakakamatay po ito. Para siyang parvo, pero ibang klase ito umatake. And yung part, so moving forward, sobrang sakit lang DJ Lala. We had him Boomer, or we named him Boomer noong 2015. Year kung kailan kinuha na sa amin ni Lord si mama ko. Biglaan ang pagkawala ng mama ko. Binigay sa amin ng BF ko before na asawa ko na ngayon. Para kahit papaano ay ma-divert yung pain na nararamdaman namin sa pag-aalaga sa kanya. And true enough, sobrang effective naman nga. Nagkaroon ulit ng sigla ang bahay namin. And now, sa mismong wedding anniversary ng parents ko, kinuha na sa amin si Boomer. Sobrang bigat, DJ Lala. Lalo pa at nagsastruggle din kami ng husband ko na makabuo ng baby kasi may PCOS ako. Feeling ko nawalan ako ng anak. And still, kailangan kong lumaban para sa isa ko pang fur baby. DJ Lala, hindi ko alam kung paano ako mag-move forward. Sobrang hirap po. Sana po matulungan niyo ako. I can totally relate to this story kasi not so long ago, I think I've already shared this sa socials ko, and I think I've mentioned this once or few times on air that not so long ago, I lost my own fur baby. Diba? For the very first time, I was responsible for a dog. Talagang sobrang responsible ako, hands-on ako sa kanya. That's the very first time in my 33 years of existence na naging hands-on ako sa another life. So, I treated that fur baby as my own baby. Kasi wala naman akong baby, wala naman akong family. So, yun yung trenato kong anak. And then, aside from that, I was also blaming myself na ako yung dahilan kung bakit siya nawala. Because pinilit ko siyang ipasyal sa medyo some kind na mainit na panahon, knowing na nagiging overly excited siya kapag lumalabas ng bahay. Nung dinala ko siya dito sa vicinity ng office, just a short story, vicinity ng office nung araw na yon, just because gusto ko siyang ipag-groom and i-walk na din dito sa may CCP, he was so anxious. I don't know kung overly excited siya, and iba na yung nagiging hinga niya. So, I thought it's just the normal him being overly excited. So, hinayaan ko lang. It dragged on for more than 2 hours, and then hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. So, nung nakikita kong medyo hirap na din siya, I asked my best friend, Troyki, na sunduin kami para iuwi na kami kasi mahihirapan din ako kapag nag-grab ako with him. So, nung pauwi namin, sobrang iba na yung hinga niya. Hanggang sa, yun na, nagtuloy-tuloy na guys. Hanggang sa, nung umuwi kami, binagsak niya yung katawan niya, and then tumakbo kami sa vet, and then we were too late kasi DOA siya, dead on arrival siya dun sa vet namin. So that's what happened on a nutshell dun sa araw na yon. And yeah, that is Bo. Wow, kinilabutan ako. That is my fur baby. That is Bo. So I lost him not so long ago then. On point si Boy Pindot. Teka lang, on point siya doon. Wait, di ako nag-ready doon So, I feel you. I understand what you feel, and I understand the pain na hindi mo matulungan yung fur baby mo, the one that you are treating as your own child, dun sa pinagdadaanan niya. Pero you have to be strong in your case because you still have another one trying to hold on, trying to fight. And I want you to be even more stronger now. So whether or not it turns out na malagpasan niya yan, ma-survive niya yan, as long as meron kayong mga vet supervision or sinusuportahan kayo ng inyong vet, I think you're doing everything you can possibly do para sa welfare niya. And pagdating dun sa nawala sa'yo, my love, hindi na natin kasi maibabalik yung araw na yun. There's nothing more we could have done. We can blame ourselves all we want for the things that we could have done, but at that moment in time, we gave everything we've got para masalvage yung buhay niya. And that's what I want you to know. Na sometimes, pinapahiram sa atin yung buhay ng mga fur babies natin sa moment na kailangan natin sila. And when they have served their purpose, which is in your case, to be able to help you move on dun sa tragic situation na pinagdaanan mo. When they have already served their purpose, yun na yun para sa kanila. They cannot give anymore kasi they've already given all they've got para marating mo kung ano yung narating mo ngayon, which is you were fine dun sa pagkawala ng mother mo. I mean, it's not replaceable, hindi niya yon natanggal completely, pero napagaan niya yung pakiramdam mo, na itawid ka na niya. So yun yung trabaho niya, tinawid ka niya dun sa tragic moment na yun, nagawa niya yung trabaho niya. That fur baby, that fur hero served his purpose on earth, and it's about time for them to go. It's about time for them to run free. So I want you to accept that. We can hold on to them as long as we want. We can hold on to them as tight as we can. Pero kapag oras na talaga nila. So what I want you to do is value every single moment you have with that one fighting still. Ibigay mo sa kanya lahat ng kaya mong ibigay. Tapos, pag nabigay mo na sa kanya lahat ng kaya mong ibigay as a fur parent and still nag-let go siya, do not blame yourself. Kasi you gave his life or her life everything. That dog became happy because of you. That dog did have everything because of you. Sorry, emotional ako sa part na to. I know it's not a person, it's a dog. But sometimes that dog becomes your everything. Kapag wala kang sasandalan, kapag walang ibang makakaintindi ng pinagdadaanan mo, for some reason they do. For some reason they do know how you feel and they do know how to make you feel better. That's the reason siguro why emotional ako sa ganyan. Tapos sinusuportahan pa nung controls namin dito ng picture sa Facebook Live. Nakakabuisit talaga sila. Nakakabuisit siya. O, diba? Ang pangalan niya ay Boy Pindot. Napaka-on point niya mag-release ng mga picture. Nakakabuisit. Tapos ngayon, tatakbo-takbo ka dito na may dala kang tissue. Pagkatas mo akong paiyakin, tatakbo-takbo ka dito nang meron kang dalang tissue. Diba? Pero ganun yun, my love. What I'm trying to say is, I can tell you everything na I did in order to survive that pain. Pero it won't be enough kasi there will always be a hole in us na will never be replaceable. Especially when we think na yung fur baby na yon is the perfect fit for us. Kumbaga, kung yung image niya, yung pinakamabait, pinaka malambing, pinaka on point na fur baby for you, it's hard to replace them. O diba? What I did on my end, because I cannot carry the pain alone, I got myself another one. And that another one is apparently sister ng nawala kong So her name is Zoe. So I got myself another one. Pero I know within myself na hindi ko ma-replace. Yung hindi niya ma-fulfill yung emptiness na naramdaman ko nung nawala sa akin yung una. But the thing is, nilalagay ko na lang sa isip ko na I'm sure napagod siya nung itinawid niya ako from the pain I was going through, nung nilibang niya ako sa mga araw na hindi ko kaya. I know napagod siya nung tumanggap siya ng mga stress mula sa akin. And they deserve to rest as well. So if it's any consolation to you, my love, you gained an angel up in heaven. And siguro the only give back na pwede nating mabigay sa kanila kasi they'll never ask for anything. Ang kaya na lang natin ibigay sa kanila is for us to continue living, for us to continue being happy, for us to continue fighting. Kasi hindi na nila tayo kayang itawid. Tinuruan nila tayo paano magmahal, paano magpakatatag, paano tibayan yung loob natin sa mga times na hindi natin kaya. They've already done that purpose. So, if bibigay tayo just because wala na sila, yung pagkawala nila will be in vain. Kasi yung mga times na tinuturuan nila tayo how to be okay, nakalimutan natin in an instant. So love, be strong, be happy, tatagan mo yung loob mo, tas fight for that one more with you. Kasi that's what your old dog would have wanted you to do. For other people, it's just a dog. For us, they became our family. But for them, tayo na yung buong buhay nila. So if you wanna honor them, be happy. Woo! Bakit ko ba ito binasaksi? Well, anyway, I just hope na your dog can feel better. And I hope together with that, you can feel better as well. We can all just cry. Kasi, yun naman talaga yun eh. Kapag may nawala sa atin, there's a big hole that cannot be filled. And we can just cry about it. Ilabas mo lang yung emotions mo, my love. Ilabas mo lang siya. But in time, 'di ba? Yung healing, it will come. It's gonna be a hard and long process, but it will come. There will come a day that you'll just remember all the happy memories you have with them without tears. Siguro may mga moment na katulad nito, someone will remind you of them and you will cry for a bit, pero at the end of the day, you'll just smile. Kasi alam mo, you were blessed. You were blessed, may isang entity, may isang living entity na dumaan sa buhay mo, na pinasaya ka ng todo, na pinagaan yung loob mo ng todo, and you'll just have to be thankful that there was once in your life you've met an angel. And that's what happened to you. And I just want you to honor them by being happy, honor them by fighting, honor them by living. Okay? I hope I was able to give you some comfort with my words. If I am doing it, kasi I'm still on the process of doing that. If I can do it every single day, I think you can too. Kaya mo yan, my love. I know it's painful, I know it's hard, but it's not gonna be impossible. Kasi they taught us how to love and how to be happy. So you'll just carry on. Okay? O, diba? Sabi ni Aliana, di man ako related pero ramdam ko yung pain. O, diba? Sa iyo kasi it's a different thing. It's a harder one, Aliana, but it's the same nature. Once in our lives, dumating sa atin yung mga anghel, and they have already served their purpose, so we have to let them go. So in order for them to be happy up there, o, diba, to enjoy whatever it is na pre-promise sa kanila, we have to accept it dito sa lupa. Okay? Sabi ni Cars Romarte, sending hugs. Bigla tuloy akong napapunta sa live mo. O, diba? Sabi naman ni Kyla Eskak, relate ako. Isang pusa ko naman na namatay dahil sagasaan po ng sasakyan. Ayan. Noong time na wala ako sa bahay for 5 days. Masakit sa akin lalo na pag naalala ko noon time paalis na ako, habang nagbibihis ako, naglalambing siya sa akin. Lalo na nung paalis na ako, sobrang iniyakan ko dahil nung tinawag nila sa akin, kinabukasan, umiyak ako uli dahil nadatnan ko pa siya. Nakakaawa dahil yun yung nangyari sa kanya. Nilibing ko siya ng maayos at baon niya yung mga luha ko. Totoo yan. When I did mine, inarrange namin lahat para sa kanya. Pinadala namin yung laruan so that he can share his toys up in heaven. Yun yung ginawa namin. Yun yung send off namin sa kanya. Everybody doon sa compound na yun was broken hearted because we lost, for us, our perfect dog. But we have another one and she needs us. So she may not be that dog na nawala sa amin, but she is a different angel. And she needs a different kind of love. So sa mga kabisyo natin, everything we've lost, the universe has a different, sabihin na natin, a different way of filling it in our lives. We just have to open our eyes and be hopeful na may dadating para tulungan tayo malagpasan yung heartache, yung pain. We just have to believe sa process of healing. And if you believe that, and if you understand that, na there will be days that you will not be okay, but there will be days when you'll remember them smiling, remember them because of their happy memories, again, you can carry on. Okay?